In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Gmail to Buffer. We'll use Zapier to automatically turn incoming emails into social posts so you can save time and keep your queue filled without copying and pasting. Start by opening Zapier and creating a new Zap. Think of a Zap as an automation made of a trigger and an action. For the trigger app, choose Gmail. You'll see options like New Email, New Labeled Email, and Email Matching Search. New email fires for every message that hits your inbox, which can be noisy. New labeled email only runs when an email gets a specific label, which gives you control. Email matching search lets you define a search query, great for keywords, senders, or subjects you care about. Pick the one that matches your workflow. If you want precision, I recommend using a label or a search so you don't fill Buffer with unrelated messages. Zapier will prompt you to sign in to Gmail and allow access. Use the account where those emails arrive and approve the permissions so Zapier can read the messages needed for your trigger. Then finish configuring your trigger by selecting your label or entering your search, and pull in a sample email so you can see real data for mapping. Now set up the action. Choose Buffer as the app. You can add to queue, create post, or schedule post. Add to queue drops the content at the next available time in your Buffer schedule. Create post publishes as soon as possible. Schedule post lets you pick a specific date and time. Select the option that fits how you plan and publish. Connect your Buffer account when prompted. Authorize Zapier to manage your posts and choose the social channels you want to publish to inside Buffer. Next, map your email content to the post text. Most people use the email subject as a headline and the plain text body for the caption. Keep an eye on character limits for each network. If the email includes links, map the link field or paste the URL from the email body. Avoid HTML by choosing plain text fields and consider trimming signatures or long footers so your posts stay clean and readable. When your mapping looks good, review the sample to confirm it formats the way you expect. Zapier can send a test to Buffer so you can preview the result in your queue. Finally, turn your Zap on. From now on, whenever an email meets your trigger conditions, Zapier will send it to Buffer using the action you chose. That's it. You've connected Gmail to Buffer and set up a smooth, reliable posting pipeline.